Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I bring you all the flavors of down-home cooking without all the carbs. My Cajun Jambalaya. With less than 5 net carbs per hefty serving, it's the perfect recipe to satisfy any low-carb diet while enjoying the spicy flavors of Louisiana. Let's get started. Add 4 cups of chicken stock to a saucepot on high heat. Add 3 bay leaves, some smoked paprika, ground black pepper, garlic powder, some onion powder, cayenne pepper, and a touch of hot sauce. Mix together and bring to a boil. Add 2½ cups of riced cauliflower and give a stir. Bring back to a slow boil, cover and reduce heat to low, and let cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Drain the cauliflower and mix in the settled pepper. Remove the bay leaves and set aside. We'll mix our own Cajun seasoning by adding some smoked paprika to a small bowl. Add some salt, garlic powder, ground black pepper, some onion powder, cayenne pepper, dried oregano, and finally some dried thyme. Blend together and set aside. For the heart of the recipe, we'll be using a couple of chicken thighs, 8 ounces of andouille sausage, half a bell pepper, 2 stalks of celery, and 3 stalks of green onions. Chop the vegetables in small pieces, separating the green and whites of the onion. Slice and quarter the sausage and cut the chicken into small bite-sized pieces. To a large skillet on medium-high heat, add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add the chicken and sausage to the skillet. Pour over our Cajun seasoning mix and cook and stir until the chicken is about 3/4 cooked. Add the celery, bell pepper, and onion whites. Mix to ensure all the vegetables are coated with the seasonings. Add a tablespoon of minced garlic and continue to cook until the vegetables have softened and the chicken is fully cooked. Stir in the rice cauliflower and mix until thoroughly blended. Continue to cook until the cauliflower is heated through. Serve warm and garnish with the green onion tops, and enjoy. There you have it, folks, my low-carb Cajun Jambalaya. Down-home cooking without all the carbs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.